Hello, I'm Glenn Switzer, owner of Switzer's Nursery and Landscaping, and founder and designer of the Gardens of Castle Rock, a Minnesota wedding and event center. Thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. It's greatly appreciated. We think we're on a pretty simple path here. We imagine, we dream, we create, we design, we build, and we do. I've been designing landscapes now for over 30 years, and along the way, I've learned a lot about designing and creating beautiful environments and spaces. I love to work with natural materials, stone, wood, steel, and of course, plants in that living environment. While a picture of the work that we do is great, it doesn't tell the whole story. So what I want to share with you is what we do, how we do it, and maybe even why we do it. So when you watch one of our videos, you'll see what goes into designing and creating one of our life-enhancing outdoor living environments. And hopefully you'll learn some techniques and some methods of how we do it, some of the best practices on how we can do it, so you can implement that into your work, into your projects, whether that's if you're doing it yourself or even if you're hiring a professional to have it done. I hope that by watching our videos, you get inspired. You get inspired to make your spaces, your environment, your world a more beautiful place to be in. Again, thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. Enjoy the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Now, let's go make some beautiful.